Hi, I'm Zima, a digital marketing expert, and today I'm going to share tips in creating social media videos. 2019 was an excellent year for social media, and video is starting to emerge everywhere. So this is your time to take advantage of video communication because you build a forum with your prospects and you can actually share a lot of information with people that will gain a lot of utility from your brand. So what did I learn after making 100 videos in 2019? Well, I need to make a lot more, and that's the inflation of social media. So here are some of the best tips. Number one, don't be ashamed of your quality. Here are some of my earlier videos. You can see that I like to go outside a lot. My sound was really terrible. The lighting was really off. And you just have to get over that hump. Have you ever just started going to the gym and you feel like you don't belong? But after a while you keep going and you just break through and then you love going to the gym? It's the same sort of bar of entry with video. So don't be ashamed about the quality. Be consistent with your message. So your message should be very specific to topics that you're passionate about and also answering questions your customers may have. The shortest bar of video is if your customers are always asking the same question, make a video, send them that video. Simple as that, because then you can start building a better rapport and presenting your customers with more information. Number two, once you start building videos and you start getting a flow of it, you're going to have to stay organized. So unless you've worked in media, this is going to be a tough challenge, but I'm going to recommend that you use Google Drive to back up all of your videos. So here's a screenshot of how we do it. Then you're going to have to at least start cataloging it. And what cataloging means is, where are you posting on social media? What are the social media posts you're using? What's the topic of the video about? Coming up with some sort of keywords to help you find the videos better, some sort of labeling. This is all up to you and it's all going to be custom to your preferences. We use Airtable and I would recommend it too. It's free. You can put all your links in here and all of your documents and just really make a comprehensive database of your videos. So now you're making videos, you're not ashamed of it, you're organizing your videos and you're staying on top of things. This is going to help you audit and make videos again. And number three is how you repurpose your content. If you're starting with video, video can be transcribed into text. Video can be exported into audio for podcasts. So your videos actually can percolate and branch out to different social media channels. So the concept of retooling and repurposing your content is key. Everyone in digital marketing is stuck on the fact that they have to make one piece of excellent content and have it stand on its legs forever, evergreen content, which is not true. So make sure that when you're making a video, you're turning it into a podcast, you're turning it into a blog post, you're taking the feedback from people, you're taking your experience, and you're making the content better. As long as you're making continuous cycles of improvement of your content, your message, your video, your organization, your process, you're going to excel at it. It's really that simple. Just continue making content. Don't be ashamed of the quality of your production. Be proud of the message that you're trying to convey. So if you had any turbulent humps starting any videos this year, let me know and drop me a comment.